Hello everyone, welcome to Cooking is Fun with Prerna. Today's recipe is Rava Idli, which is a South Indian, my favorite also, my sister's also. We all love Rava Idli. So today I'm going to show you the recipe of it and a few tricks which you can get soft idlis. So come, let's see the ingredients. So the ingredients are half kg of suji or rava. These are a handful of broken pieces of cashew nut, salt according to taste. This is half urad dal, about 1 tablespoon. Chana dal, 1 tablespoon. Mustard seeds or rye, it's called also rye. This is 1.5 tablespoon. So now, and I have taken in a kadai, I have taken about 2 tablespoons oil. So it's a bit less, so I have put more 2 tablespoons, which is total about 4 tablespoons. So first we'll add the mustard seeds. So I'm going to put the mustard seeds into hot, not very hot oil, and slightly hot. Keep the flame on sim and let this splutter a bit. When you see, just stir it a bit and wait for it to splutter. So now I am going to put the chana dal and then the urad dal and just stir it. So guys, you have to cook this till it turns a bit brown. You have to keep the flame between medium to high, medium to slow. Now we're going to put the kaju. Stir this well. So the kajus I have done, have been brown, as you can see. So now we are going to put the rava. So I have added a little more of rava or suji as it was a bit less. So approximately about 80 to 90 grams. So just stir it well. You have to keep the flame on low. Now I'm adding salt. You can put it as per your taste. We have to roast the rava on low flame for about 5 minutes. Till you get the nice aroma of the rava. Till then you have to keep stirring. Once you get the aroma, you have to turn off the flame. We have to cool this down. Guys, I have cooled down this rava idli mixture for about 10 minutes. And now we are going to go to the next step. We are going to put. So these are the ingredients for the next step. So I have curd, about 3/4 liter curd, and baking soda, salt as per taste, and a few dhania patti or coriander leaves. So now we are going to add the baking soda into the curd. So guys, soda depending on how many idlis you have to make. So I am using half a teaspoon here. And if you add more of soda, the idlis come out hard. So for getting softer idlis, just put half a teaspoon. Just stir it like this. You have to make the curd into a liquidy consistency. So we will use this to make it like that. Now we're going to add some salt in the curd. So do not use more salt here as we've already put salt in the mixture. Stir it well. And just pour it into this now. Now add off the coriander leaves. And if the curd is a bit less, you can put water also, a little bit of water also in it, just to make it the batter form. So now I'm going to show you how to mix this well so that all the ingredients come together. You're supposed to mix it like this. Like this, so that the curd gets well mixed into the suji or rava. So now the curd is looking a bit less, so I'm going to add a little more curd. You can even use a bit of water, but curd would be better. The same way, I'm going to put the curd into this. I'm going to use this to make it into a liquidy consistency. So guys, the consistency should be this thick. So how much of a curd you need to just make it in this much consistency you can take. So pour little by little. This batter has to be kept for resting for about 20 to 30 minutes. Do check the salt, if it's less or more, before putting it into the idli maker. So we leave this aside for about 20 minutes to half an hour. I have greased this idli maker tray with oil. So now we're going to pour the batter into it. So the batter's consistency should be just like this. So now we're going to pour the batter little by little into this idli maker. Just don't overfill it, as the idlis will rise up. So we have to just tap it like this. As it gets flattened like this, and it gets into one level. So we'll just fill the others like this. For the rava idlis to get done, it will take about 15 minutes. So just leave it for 15 minutes on high flame. So guys, as you can see, our rava idli is ready. Looks so yummy. Please do try out our recipe and tell us how you liked the recipe and how. Just try it and tell us how it was, how it came out for you. You can add a little bit of ghee on top as it tastes more yummier. So thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe and click on the bell icon for latest updates. Thank you guys. See you in the next video. Bye.